Dear students, today we'll be having a look at 5 C's of events. 5 C's of events are the activities required for marketing and managing events. So, first C is conceptualization. Conceptualization starts with initial concept. Initial concept involves concept of idea or theme for the event. It takes into consideration objective and elementary need for hosting the event. So from this initial concept, we conceptualize in detail the event by churning in ideas in various permutations and combinations. The original concept is modified based on the input received from various other C's of events. The final concept gets defined once all the constraints posed by the budget, client's requirements, target audience profile are objectively stated. So, conceptualization is concerned with idea formation with a differential approach to attract and target audience. Next C is customization. Customization emphasis on client satisfaction and reinforcing clients' requirements to suit the needs of the client. It involves blending of creativity and suitability to match the changing trends and tastes of the customers. It involves a custom approach for facilitating achievement of event objectives. The next C that we are going to see is canvassing. Canvassing activities involve obtaining sponsorship, fundraising, networking, advertising to generate mileage for the success of the event. Next important C is costing. Costing refers to the calculation of cost estimates and sources of acquiring these funds. It also involves preparation of budgets, creating a provision for risk coverage, and managing uncertainties that forms a part of event management. As a, as a combination of all these C's, we arrive at the final concept. So, final concept is obtained which is then executed. Execution of plans takes place with set of activities and operations that leads to accomplishment of the event objectives. It is the stage where event activities are in progress and if any deviation from the scheduled activities are remedied through suitable course of action. So these are the 5 C's that leads to generation of an event. So event is a situation where certain objectives are being achieved to satisfy the client by overcoming the constraints like budget and accommodating changes so that the event has been designed to achieve its objectives. So, to summarize, the 5 C's of events are conceptualization, churning of ideas, costing, estimation of cost, canvassing, identifying clients and seeking sponsors, customization based on customers' needs, tailor made events, carrying out or execution of the events. Thank you. Hope you have understood how the event is being designed.